Department of Healthcare Services here at the state provides access to these reports to the county and local programs and to state users. We have several reporting, what we call universes or reporting areas where people can pull reports. We have an area for CHDP, Child Health and Disability Prevention Program users. They can get data for the CHDP Gateway and the CHDP claims. The other area we have is for California Children's Services and Genetically Handicapped Persons Program. They can get data from our CMSNet system on eligibility, and they can also get paid claims. To use these objects, you need at least an access to the Internet and Microsoft Internet Explorer version 6.0 or greater. So to get access, all you need to do is fill out a form, and I'm going to show you the CCS website here. There's also a CHDP equivalent. You get to it from our Department of Healthcare Services website. The form to complete access, and it looks a little like this. So you click Add, Modify, Delete, what program you're going for, and then name and position of the person you're adding, email address and phone number, and then the county or the city is for local programs. So you list out which, if you want to count your local program access, which one, and then have the sign and print name of either the CCS administrator or the CHDP deputy director, depending on which access you're obtaining. And then the second page is very important because it's a confidentiality oath, so that you don't divulge any of the information that you get from the system. So we need this signed and dated. And then you return the form to the address you see here. CCS users and CHDP can all fax to this number. CHDP users also need the original signed because we do keep a copy. So please also mail your originals to this address. Once you receive it, check your email and you will get access eventually. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show people how to change their password or if it expires. And it's similar to logging in on the first time. So the first time users, you can also follow along. These business objects password instructions are also on the business objects website that I referred to at first under CCS or CHDP on our department's website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend I know my secret question and answer because my password expired, so I need to change it to a permanent one. So that's good for 60 days. They're always good for 60 days. And it expires maybe 1 or 2, you get a warning maybe 1 or 2 days before, so a lot of people will just make a reminder on their calendar to automatically, to remind themselves to set it over 60 days so then they aren't locked out. But if you are locked out or if this is your first time, you can kind of follow along. So let's put my login here. And well, I'll show you, I'm going to show you how to set the secret question and answer, but I need to do this so then you can see what you'll receive the first time. Okay, so click get the password, and this password is going to be emailed to me. And then I look at my email, and you'll get this wonderful thing from MyNetAdmin. It will be a secure email. If you have any issues opening a secure email, you can call our CMSNet help desk at 916-327-2378, and they will assist you. Okay. So here's the password. And I'm going to hit Control-C on my keyboard to copy it because copy and paste I like better than trying to type it in. Okay. So what you will do, I'm going to go back to this password instructions document. Okay. You will see the email with your temporary password. And you go to this website, and old password is the one you received in your email. I hit Control-V as an insert to paste. Then you select a new password. And I'm going to select an incorrect one so you can kind of see what it will do. Okay. You can see if you have the password feature that says must be 8 characters and contain at least one numeric character. So if you've entered a password you've used before, or you didn't, if you entered someone that was too short, you'll get this message, and you can click back and try again. So I'm going to click new password. That should hopefully work. Okay. Since this password successfully changed. Now, if you switch back to, it's going to take you back to switch password again. So that doesn't really help. So what you should do is go back to the password instructions, and if you already have a secret question or answer set, you can go immediately to the Business Objects website, and that will take you to this website here where you can enter in your new password. If you do not have a secret question or answer set, you can follow these instructions here, and it will go to you can click this page to set your secret question and answer. And then if you click the Edit button, you can change the secret question. See, there's a drop down you can select and then type in your answer, and it is case sensitive. And then once you click Update, it will save it. After that happens, now you can go to this main login page. So you type in your name and your password. And I'm going to intentionally type in an incorrect password so you can see what happens. And you get this very cryptic message. And what all this message means is your password did not match. So this will happen if your password has expired or if you didn't enter it correctly. This message, and you know you entered it incorrectly, that's probably due to password expired. So either use the secret question and answer to get the secure email and then reset it, or you can always call our CMSNet help desk 916-327-2378 again, and we will reset it for you, and you will get that secure email at that time. So let me type in the correct one now. And you can see I have successfully logged in. So I think that's about it for passwords. If you'd like to know more about navigating the system, you can go to the navigation webinar. We'll talk about how to navigate the system, open